welcome to today's video. So today I'm super excited. This is the second to last makeup look for the Decade Makeup series that I've been doing on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Out Pomade in the color Taupe. I'm just going to take this Sonia Kashuk Duo brush. I'm just going to use the stuff that's in the cap to fill in my eyebrows. Take my Too Faced I Want Candy palette. I'm going to take Banana Cream Pie and ice cream and put that on my lid. I'm going to put on some concealer just to act like a base. So I'm just going to do it right where I put. So now I'm going to take the same palette but with this Sonia Kashuk crease brush, and I'm going to take the color Pastry. You guys can see that I really like this color. This one and this one were like my favorites, and they're almost gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm only going to apply this color right in the corner, or right in the outer corner. Taupe shade in this palette, corner. So I did my foundation and blush off camera, and now we're going to curl my lashes. Mascara. Now I'm going to spray my DIY finishing spray. So now we're going to get into how women applied their makeup in the 1990s. So what they did, they had like a creamy white eyeshadow on their eyelid, and then in the outer corner they had like a kind of a taupe color, and then they used black eyeshadow for an eyeliner, a lot of nude lip, and then pink blush. That's pretty much it. Enjoy today's video and see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!